Where did I put my keys? Did I turn off the stove? Shoot! I forgot to charge my phone. Can you relate? If so, this foggy brain practice is for you. Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the See Your Well-Being channel. Welcome to the Chi Forest. Magic Tree says, hey there. I'm your energy wizard, inspiring and enabling you to sense, engage, and express more authentic energy, well-being, and perhaps mental clarity in your life with Qigong. If this is your first time here, or if you haven't yet, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so that you can tap into the vibrant energy that our community of mental clarity seekers embodies. And we're growing in numbers that just bring me a lot of joy every day. So I thank you for your subscription. We've all got a lot on our minds these days. So let's get some clarity with a short practice to clear away the cobwebs. This is actually a take or a spin-off on one of my top 10 practices, Qigong for brain fog. But I had to kind of repurpose it for the sense of how could we look at this a different way. That practice dealt a little bit more with kind of the spleen and stomach and getting clarity through our digestion, physical and mental. This time we're going to look a little bit more at how we can awaken the energy of the brain through actual stimulation, some acupressure, as well as focusing on the brain's connection to the kidneys. So let's begin taking our acupressure tools, our fingers, and running them through our forest. So 10 dragons running through the forest. Start from your forehead and go all the way down to the base of your skull. Coming out to the sides as well. Awakening your mental nooks and crannies. And giving yourself a nice little hair massage. Scatter a little bit. Oh yeah, that's just for me. And then pause for a minute. That may be all you need, right? Let's take it a little deeper. Peace fingers rubbing up and down the ears. Take the hands, hover right outside the ears. And we'll begin our imagery here by imagining that a bright white light, sending that bright white light into the center of your brain. Seeing all the neurocircuitry light up with this white light, opening new pathways of awareness. Release the hands. Let's work with the rest of the brain circuit, if you will. The spinal cord. We'll start with dog wags the tail. So start by shifting your hips left and right. And then see that shift going a little bit higher on the spine. Allow the arms just to float side to side. So you got a weight shift, hip shift, Now going all the way up to the neck. And you can keep it slow, or you can take it a little bit faster. Close your eyes, don't look at the camera, that might that might interfere with your mental organization. Plus you don't get to see me. Go a little bit faster. See me making a fool of myself. But we're doing it together, right? Slow it down again. Now the spinal wave, to awaken in that dimension of the spine. We're going to take the chin forward, hips back, hands on thighs, and roll up. We're going to see this rolling action in our first flow today, so I want you to feel a little bit exaggerated here as we warm up the spine. Feeling as though your body is moving now through this sea of brilliant white light. We're going to add on to this, bringing the arms in. We're going to roll up. White light comes and caresses the back of your spine and down the front. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to add on the healing sound for the kidneys as we roll up. Inhale, and it sounds like water rushing. Inhale, seeing yourself in this white ripples of the ocean, being bathed by this light, letting you sense, engage, and express your ability to transform limited, foggy thinking into mental clarity. One more. Pause. Hold your position. Can you sense it? Can you sense that white light arising from the base of your spine, traveling up the vertebrae, the lower back, the mid-back, surrounding the spinal column, the central nervous system, rising all the way up to the skull, and caressing every cell in your brain. Brilliant white light. Let's go into the flow, connected with the kidneys, and that's the fountain. Take the hips back slightly, turn the backs of the hands toward one another, roll up the spine, and open out to the side. Inhale, roll up, open, exhale. As you roll up, that white light moves up, opens out to the side. And you see yourself surrounded by its brilliant reflection. This reflection of your clarity, your well-being. Breathing in and out through the nose. That was just my openness of feeling this flow. This was the second flow in my Qigong adventure journey that I fell in love with, because it got me to see that when we slow down, that which we are looking for reveals itself. I was afraid to slow down. But when I did, I saw that there was so much more potential in the ease rather than the rush. Let's challenge the brain a little bit here and do one arm at a time. Let's take the right arm up and open. Left arm up and open. Working one side at a time will definitely challenge the brain. You can begin to add a little bit of movement in the lower body, turning to the side. Funny thing is that I filmed this practice, the whole practice before, and because I had a jacket on, it didn't sound so well. But the other thing is that I was rushing through the entire practice. Gotta get it done. So I invite you here to slow down. Take it easy. And realize the things that may go missing in your life may not really be the important things. The things that reveal themselves as you slow down and approach the day with ease, those are the things that are really meaningful. Let's do one more. Your time is precious. Your mental capacity is precious. So let's finish with one flow. I want you to take the arms back up where we were before, alongside the ears. Whew. You might feel some tingling and buzzing already. I know I do. It feels as if my skull is opening and kind of expanding outward as this white light. Your ears might feel a little buzzy too. Let's pulse on that. Not making contact with the head, just pulse this field of brilliant white light surrounding your head, your brain, and then we'll circle it coming towards the back of the head, up and around. So circling back, up, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Can you give yourself the space and time for the important things in your life to be magnified, and the things that have not happened yet to be revealed in time and space as they were meant to? Feel that white light caressing the inner wisdom circuitry. It's not just about the keys, you guys. It's about this inner wisdom that we all have. We simply need to invite it into our being. Let's take the hands and now slowly draw this white light down the front of your body. Oh. Feeling the potency of that healing energy now settle in the low belly. Take a few deep breaths here and just witness the experience of your energy coming into awareness, brilliance, as this white light I invite you to express inwardly or outwardly with me our closing mantra. My mind is open and clear. and available to all possibilities. My mind is open and clear and available to all possibilities. My mind is open and clear and available to all possibilities. You can repeat that in the comments below. I thank you for your practice. May you be well.